Hey everyone, thanks for voting in the poll that I put out on a post here on YouTube. Appreciate all of the votes. Let's go ahead and get into what you voted for the next unboxing video. And as you can see by the title of this video, it's the Hansome Wizard. Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of the Hansome Wizard. I'm really excited to get this one taken care of. I put several of them out there and an overwhelming amount of people voted for this one. And I'm kind of glad you did because I was thinking about doing this one anyway. And I've seen an unboxing of it, but I'm going to be real curious to kind of see it for myself and kind of have my own take on what we're going to do with this painting and what it looks like. So here we have it. Here we have the Hansome Wizard. Gorgeous, gorgeous painting. He is absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to get into this and show you guys what this is all about. With this one, the artist is Runa. I'm not going to try and pronounce Runa's last name because I'm very bad at it, but I will leave a link in the description down below to the Diamond Art Club website so that you guys can go ahead and take a look at that. But with this painting, it is 27.6 inches by 38.2 inches, or 69.9 centimeters by 96.8 centimeters. So this is a pretty decent size one. Like, it's a pretty big one. 38 inches is just over 3 feet long. With that being said, so there's 88 colors on this one, including 1 AB, or 1 Aurora Borealis, and 4 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 109,309 diamonds. So we do have, this is a pretty big sized one, and it is square diamonds too. So this will be very interesting to see what kind of story I can come up with on this one. And we'll just kind of go from there. So let's take a look at this one, shall we? All right, so here we have a little bit of a better picture here of the box. So Hansome Wizard, very, very nice. All right, and just like with every diamond painting, we have our toolkit that comes with an applicator pick pen and a multi-placer, wax refill, stackable tray with lid, and some resealable baggies that are in here. So this I always just kind of take and set off to the side because, well, I've got a bunch of these now. Whenever it comes to buying one of these kits, it always comes with this. So now I've got a bunch of these. So, and I hope you guys too. And we'll do an episode here on figuring out what to do with that stuff later. But then we have our thank you card. So thank you for your purchase. And then inside we have our treasure quest card. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. Very beautiful. And this one looks like a bronze card. So yeah, bronze is typically what I get when it comes to these, but very shiny, very shimmery, very beautiful. And then in here we have the Hansome Wizard with a sticker sheet, and we have a picture of him with a start and end date that's on here. And it looks like my lights are a little too bright today. We're gonna take a quick look at this card again because apparently I had the light on my camera instead of the other light, which is why we were getting that big reflection in there. But here we have the Hansome Wizard, and we have our code here on the back. So very gorgeous card that'll go in with our collection. And then we have the sticker sheet, and on the back here, as we can see, we have the sticker here for the Hansome Wizard, start date, end date, and then we have our colors. Now, with this one, it looks like we have a lot of special colors. So we have all of these 6000s that are down here. We have our AB 5200, which is going to look really, really nice in here. That's going to give a lot of sparkle. And then we have our 4 fairy dust diamonds that are alongside over here. So I am going to be on the lookout when we look at the drills to see this AB 5200, because that's a lot of white. That's going to give a lot of sparkle in here. And then all of these fairy dust diamonds too. But aside from that, everything else is pretty normal, with the exception of we have these 6000s that are down here. The 6000s are from DAC themselves, from the Diamond Art Club, because they do not fall within the DMC color palette. They're kind of their own blends that they put together just to kind of make sure that things match through the canvases themselves and on the pictures. And then everything else, starting here with 152 and going all the way down, is our DMC colors and even into the 3000s. So this is a pretty good color palette. 88 colors is a really good amount with this one. Okay, this one is so much bigger than what I expected it to be. This one is, like I said, it's 27 by 38. Well, it's almost 28 by 39. And with that being said, again, the small work area that I have, those of you who have been following me for a little bit, I have a very tiny work area. But what I can say, though, is just by opening up this part, this is so much more detailed in the sense of, well, it's so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. So the hand right here, I mean, that hand is huge. Like, that hand is almost as big as my hand. Actually, it is about as big as my hands. Like, that's a pretty big hand. And then we have this big fairy that's right here. The arm that's right here. So this is almost, from what I can see, is like a life-size portrait in a sense. I will say that this right here, like all of this is a lot of color blocking that's going to happen. There's not as much, well, in this area over here, it doesn't seem to be as confetti heavy as what it is going to be over here. But even over here, it's really not that bad. There's going to be a lot of multi-placing. There's going to be a lot of things to happen with this. And as I'm looking at this right now, it's kind of hard to see, but like right here, here, and here, this is where that AB is going to go into. We've got some more AB symbols right here. So this is going to be, I don't know, this actually might go fairly quickly, especially with all of this down here. Now, if I'm looking at my key that's over here to the right, my number 2, I'm going to bring this out a little bit more here. My key is actually very, very large. So my 2 is color 154, and that is all of what is down here. All of this down here, this large area, that is 154. And then you've got the black, the 310, that's probably in through here. So looking at this canvas here, so then we have, oh, there we go. This is actually really nice. This works. So we've got the arm. Here's another fairy that's right here. We've got his cat companion that's right over here, probably his familiar, because as we know, every witch and wizard probably has a familiar. The coloring through here is actually very big blocks of color throughout this area. And then like this right here, okay, so we have not really confetti, honestly, it's really not. We have some ABs that will go in here, and then there's some coloring that goes in this, but I really think that this is going to go fairly quickly. All right, so here we have his face. He is pretty. For it being an illustration, he is actually very, very handsome. The artist did a really good job at the detail for him. And I should be able to get this open most of the way here. This is just gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. This up here is really nice. I love the flowers that are up here. And his hat, the flowers, his face. I mean, you can tell he's very tired, right? He is very, very tired, but why is he tired? Why is this gentleman so tired? And it looks like we have a fairy that is taking care of him here. Like, what is happening here? So that's what I'm trying to figure out with this painting. Let me know in the comments below, what does this painting tell you? What does this painting say to you when you look at it? What kind of story do you think can be told with this? Let me know down below. The other thing that I'm looking at here too is when it comes to our fairy dust diamond. So it looks like we've got some fairy dust in these little green areas throughout here. I've got a lot of fairy dust that's going to be up here in the flowers. And then it looks like we've got some fairy dust that's kind of sprinkled down throughout here and over here with where some of this yellow is at. And then the ABs, we've already picked out a couple spots for them. I've got ABs through here. I've got, this is all ABs up here. All of this white that's up here, a lot of that is AB. Same with this. All of this. So we're going to have a good amount of ABs that are going to be throughout this entire canvas here as well. I like that a lot. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the drills themselves and see what we've got going on with our colors. This is a really nice color palette. All right, here we go with the drills and the color palette that we have, which is actually very pretty. It's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. It is, I don't know, it's just very, very colorful. So having this translate to the canvas, I think is going to be a really cool transformation that we see. All right, so starting off just with our larger ones, we have 3771, so very nice orange color. 779. Really what I'm looking for are our ABs and our fairy dust diamonds, so 152. 739 has 2 bags, so that's a very interesting yellow color. 6030, and then 154, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bags of 154. So that's that one that we saw that was down at the bottom of the canvas, but it's actually a very pretty plum color. I thought it was going to be something a little bit darker than that. I thought it was going to be like a black brown or something like that, but it's not. It's a really deep plum. It actually looks really nice, so that'll look really good. And then we've got 3834. We've got a couple of those. Again, I'm a huge purple fan, if you haven't seen some of my other videos already, but this has actually a really nice color palette of purples in it. 3770, we've got, looks like 3 bags of those. 353, so a lot of oranges and yellows. 2 bags of those, and 967, 2 bags of those, and then a 317, which is actually a really nice color. 317 I've actually used a lot in my cross-stitching time. All right, so next up we've got 838s. We've got 1, 2 bags of those. 3371, that's that black brown. So I've got, I'm having problems with the light here. 1, 2 of those. Here we go. Here is a fairy dust diamond. That's a Z3865. Now, if I remember correctly though, hang on. Okay, so I was actually getting that one confused with the AB 5200, but still, even you kind of can't really tell that this is a fairy dust. I mean, you kind of can, but it's there. I mean, it's shimmery. Okay, not necessarily my favorite fairy dust so far. 223, 3778, 3860. We've got a couple of those. 3856, 3705, 633, 3341, 3064, 758. So just a lot of oranges and browns that I'm seeing in here. 3824, 945, a couple of those. Interesting. I think it's really going to come into like some of the smaller ones where we see some more of those ABs. Another gray, 414, 840, 356. 3722, it's an interesting red color. 745, 3721. So we've got some reds in here now. So 3863, 3859, 3823. Let me know in the comments below, what is one of your favorite colors that you have here with the Diamond Art Club? What's 6032? So what's, ooh, that is a very pretty red. I like 350. That's nice. Do you like the vibrant colors? Do you like the more tonal colors? What do you like the most? 926. I'm curious to see what everyone has to say. There we go. Oh, there's a fairy dust one. Okay, so that's the Z760. So that probably goes in a lot of our flowers, which is actually really nice. I like that one. That is really nice. 352. 3328. There's our AB. That is going to look very beautiful in this. Yes. That's going to give a lot of shimmer, a lot of sparkle. I like that. Earth tone. That's the word I was looking for. There's a lot of earth tones in this one. So 3857, 437, 3828, 3864. With the grays, the orange, the brown, 3825. There's a lot of earth tones in this one. Ooh, 327. That's a nice shade of purple too. It's an interesting green. 610, 640. Yes, definitely earth tones in this one, which is fantastic. 738, 816. 3858, 721, 413, and okay, here's our other fairy dust. I believe that's now 3 fairy dust that we've uncovered and our AB. So there we go. Very nice. Okay. I got a couple of larger packs here in the middle. So 6034. There's actually, that's all of that. And then 3802. So 4 of those. Very nice. And then here's where we get into the real small one. So 371, 3855, 3865. So a nice white color. 436, 372. So these are all the very minuscule, teeny tiny ones when it comes to a large painting like this. And these are the ones that kind of drive you nuts a little bit. 939, 680. Okay, here's our other fairy dust. So there's the Z993. I like that. I really like that turquoise color. That is really nice. 729, 370, 315, 3053, 964, 349, 3726, and then last but not least, 501. A very teeny tiny amount of 501, but it will work. All right, and there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Hansome Wizard. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and have you done this one yet yourself? Or is it in your stash and you're wanting to do it? Does this unboxing make you want to do it yourself? Let me know. And for those of you who have just joined us, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. We've got more unboxings to go with all of the things that we've bought in our stash, so stay tuned for more. Until next time, light a candle, grab a coffee, and let's keep crafting.